Today I'm going to talk about two important terms in economics, demand and supply. First, demand is basically how much people want to buy. The definition is more complete as shown. This is a simple diagram shows demand curve. Price would change demand, high price, lower demand. For example, if the price of banana increase, then consumer not willing to buy more. This diagram shows shift the demand curve, where D1 to D2 is increasing. This changing caused by increase in income of consumer, or the following reason or others. The curve will also shift to left, which is opposite reason to the above. Also, there are some example is important in demand, such as advertising. A good branding is more loyal to people. For example, consumer will buy Coca-Cola but not for banana. The other term is supply. Basically means how much goods need to produce. This is a simple diagram for supply, which price and quantity are proportional. Point A to B is movement along the curve. The diagram on the left shows the shift in supply curve. An increase in supply S1 to S2 occurs when more is supplied at each price. There are some reasons below the diagram. This is a simple multiple choice question in the AS exam. Please read the question first, then I will explain the answer for the question. The answer is C. The data set cut the output of crude oil, that means decrease the supply of crude oil, so B and D are wrong. Also, it changed the supply, so this is movement along the demand curve, so it's C. This is also an exam question. Please read it first. Are you get the right answer? The answer is B, as cutting the tax on betting. So this will increase the quantity, then A and C are wrong. Also, they estimate 37% increase in the sale. This means more supply are created. Market equilibrium is relative to demand and supply, but is a state when supply equal to demand. The complete definition is shown below. Also, a simple diagram is on the left corner. Point A is the market equilibrium.